Welcome to this quick demo of ProPlan AI inside of ESPRIT Edge. ProPlan AI is an AI-powered feature that automates operation creation, helping you program faster and more efficiently. We're jumping straight into the ProPlan AI milling demo. The file is already open and the machine setup is complete, including the part, stock, and mounting to the DMU40. The features have also been created and refined to ensure accurate predictions. It's important to highlight that this part of the ESPRIT Edge workflow hasn't changed with ProPlan AI. You still define your setup, create your features, and prepare the part just as you would in any ESPRIT project. ProPlan AI is a machine learning engine built into ESPRIT Edge that predicts complete operations based on your features, material, and machining context. Currently, it supports a wide range of 3-axis and 3+2 milling operations, including facing, contouring, pocketing, and drilling. The value here is speed and consistency. ProPlan AI helps programmers generate high-quality operations in seconds, freeing up time to focus on complex strategies and production-critical decisions. To enable ProPlan AI, we first need to connect to Nexus. Nexus is Hexagon's cloud-based data platform that powers machine learning features in ESPRIT Edge. It provides access to shared material libraries, predictive models, and organizational data that ProPlan AI uses to generate intelligent operations. Once you're logged into your Nexus account, ESPRIT Edge activates the machine learning feature, allowing ProPlan AI to run predictions directly from your feature data. This connection is seamless and happens in the background, so once you're signed in, you're ready to start programming with AI-driven automation. With Nexus connected, the next step is to define the material for the part. In this case, we're selecting aluminum from the Nexus material library. One of the key benefits of ProPlan AI is that it doesn't just look at the material. It takes into account your machine's capabilities when generating the process plan. Parameters like spindle RPM, maximum feed rates, and axis configuration all influence the recommended tools and cutting conditions, ensuring the strategy is tailored to your specific setup. You can also organize your materials into custom types like aluminum, steel, or titanium, which makes it easier to manage your library and quickly select the right material for your job. We'll start by running ProPlan AI on the first side of the part, beginning with the chain, boundary, pockets, and then the holes. ProPlan AI generates complete operations based on the feature geometry, selected material, and machine context. The prediction model is trained using historical programs uploaded to the Nexus platform. That data comes from your shop, your tooling, machines, and strategies, so the predictions are tailored to your environment. You choose when to run ProPlan AI and on which features. That control helps keep the workflow aligned with your process and avoids unnecessary automation. It's also important to run predictions in the order the features would be machined. This ensures the toolpath logic matches your actual process and leads to more accurate, efficient results. Once the operations are generated, we use ESPRIT Edge's native optimization tools to organize the program. This step automatically sorts operations by tool, orientation, and workpiece, reducing tool chains, minimizing machine movement, and improving overall cycle time. Optimization doesn't change the predicted operations. It simply arranges them in the most efficient order for machining. After optimizing, we run a full simulation to validate the toolpaths. This lets us check for collisions, verify tool engagement, and confirm that the program is ready for production. Simulation is a critical part of the workflow. It gives us confidence that what we're sending to the machine is not only fast to generate, but also safe, efficient, and reliable. As the simulation runs, you can see how the predicted operations come together into a complete production-ready program. Next, we'll set up the second side of the part. We add a new setup, rotate the workpiece 180 degrees about the x-axis, and mount it in a vise. This gives us access to the remaining features and prepares the part for complete machining. With the second setup complete, we'll run ProPlan AI on the remaining features. One of the key advantages of ProPlan AI is that you can run predictions on multiple features at once, especially when the machining order doesn't matter. This saves time and keeps the workflow efficient. The programmer stays in control throughout the process. You choose when to run predictions, which features to include, and how to apply the results. Whether you're programming a full part or just accelerating a few operations, ProPlan AI helps reduce repetitive tasks and let you focus on the areas where your expertise adds the most value. Now we run a full simulation of the complete program. This is where we validate everything. Toolpaths generated by ProPlan AI, organized by ESPRIT EDGE, and ready for production. Simulation lets us check for collisions, verify tool engagement, and confirm that the machining process follows the intended sequence. What's powerful here is how seamlessly ProPlan AI integrates into the workflow. You still control the setup, the features, and the strategy. ProPlan AI simply accelerates the programming without changing how you work. As the simulation runs, you can see how the predicted operations come together into a complete, efficient, and safe machining process. This step gives you confidence that what's been generated is not only fast, but also reliable and ready for the shop floor. With simulation complete, we post the NC code, ready to send to the machine. As we scroll through the output, you'll see that the operations generated by ProPlan AI follow the same structure and formatting as any ESPRIT EDGE program. That's the key advantage. ProPlan AI doesn't change how you work, it enhances it. You still define your setups, create your features, and control your strategy. ProPlan AI simply accelerates the programming process, helping you work faster and more consistently. Whether you're programming full parts or just streamlining repetitive tasks, it gives you more time to focus on what matters most: your process, your tooling, and your production goals. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more ESPRIT EDGE tips and tutorials. Share your ideas for future topics in the comments. Your input helps shape the content we create next. Thanks for watching.